Hi, Brittany. Some feedback on your presentation. Um, One, I noticed that you started by defining IAD and explaining the addiction and the DSM and the pathways in the brain, and all that was really helpful in that it provided context for people who aren't familiar. Some of the slides I felt were a little text heavy, but the animation that you used to bring things in helped, by having things come in one at a time. Also, I like that you use sources that people could relate to on a personal level. It really, I think, helped make some of the more complex ideas a little easier to follow when talking about the brain. So your thesis here, internet addiction. Oops. I guess I got the wrong pen open. Internet addiction here. Disorder affects the brain and behavioral patterns of addicts by changing white matter pathways, disrupting nerve wiring as well as other issues, and it complicates interpersonal skills in addition to daily normal functioning, respectively. I think we talked about this in class when I said, so right now your paper is mostly talking about this kind of the brain chemistry and the rewiring, and it's not yet talking about the interpersonal skills and normal daily functioning, but I can see how you would talk about that, and that would be the next part of evidence to show that your paper is doing what it says it's going to do. Definitely, I can see how these images of the brain were helpful, and you kind of pointed to things. I wasn't quite sure with some of these images down on the right, the people images, how those connected to your topic, and so those needed to be explained. Obviously, this one of the kid who doesn't want to be pulled away from his computer was completely a relevant image, and you did a good job explaining why you chose it, and it added some humor, and I think really helped us as an audience engage. So overall, I thought you did a good job. Your presentation went 6 minutes, so you did go a little over. I look forward to seeing your draft of your paper, and and see where this goes. All right.